Hello everyone, welcome to ALS Education Center. Today's topic is area of triangle. So let's know the formula of this. So the formula of area of triangle is 1 by 2 into B into H, where B is base and H is height. So the formula of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Let's solve one question to find out the area of triangle. So find the area of triangle whose base is 35 and height is equal 16 centimeter. So first we will write the formula of triangle. So area of triangle equal 1 by 2 into base into height, base and height. So 1 by 2 into the base is 35 into height is 16. Here we will cut it. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So now we will write 35. 35 ones only 35 will come and then 8. So the answer will be 280 square centimeter. So the area of the triangle in this question will be 280 square centimeter. Now we'll solve one more question where we have to find what? Altitude means height. Find the altitude means height of triangle where base is 20 and area is 40 square centimeter. Means the area is already given and the base is 20. So we have to find the altitude. So here we will write the formula first. Area of triangle that is already given in question equal 1 by 2 into base into height. So the area is 40. Here we will write 40 square centimeter equal 1 by 2 into the base is 20 and height we are not knowing, so here we will write h only. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 and 2 10s are 20. So here we will write 40 square centimeter equal 10 1s are 10. So we will write 10 only and h. Now this is in multiplication. So when we will when this number will go there, then it will convert into division. So here 40 divided by this number 10 equal h. Now the 10 is gone here, so the h will be alone only. 0 and 0 and the 4 is height. So here we will write altitude of triangle is 4 centimeter. Now we will solve one more question where we have to take out the base. So we will write, this is second question, this is third. Here we will write find the base of triangle where height is 18 centimeter and area is 81 square centimeter. So we are not knowing about the base. So here we will write the formula first. Area of triangle. What is the formula? 1 by 2 into base into height, means base and height. So the area is 81 square centimeter. And 1 by 2, the base is not given, where we will write b only, and the height is 18. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18. So we will write 81 square centimeter equal, so this will be b, and 9 1s are 9. So now this is in multiplication, so the number will come here and will convert into division. So here 81 and 9 will come here, so it will convert into division. Equal, b is there only. So 9 1s are 9 and 9 9s are 81. So the base is what? 9. Here we will write base of triangle is 9 centimeter. So let's solve one more question to find out the area of the triangle. So the fourth question is, find the area of triangle whose base is 72 and height is 12. So we'll solve this question. So area, we have to find the area, and the base is 72 and the height is 12. So we will write the formula area of triangle equal 1 by 2 into base into height. So that we have to find the area, so here we will write area only. So 1 by 2 into the base is 72 and the height is 12. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 36 is 72. So now 1 and 1 will be cut. So the area will be 36 into 12. So the area will be, we will multiply this, so the answer will be 432 square centimeter. So here our topic is finished. So thank you. Bye. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.